Hello, friends. Just got back from getting the mail. Got some packages from Streamlabs with all the information magically redacted. I'm excited to see what we got. I have a feeling that it's gonna be some merch from Who's That Girl over on Twitch. It's Jess. So let's find out what we've got, friends. This is a classic coffee cup box. Stream Elements and Streamlabs both seem to use the same design of the boxes. Oh, wow, that is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It's Who's That Girl over on Twitch with Dante. Yep, this is a Dante's mug, because you got Dante's mug right there. We love Dante. Dante is adorable. And this one looks like it could be a sticker. It is two of them. Dante's mug. Two Dante stickers. Isn't that awesome? I am super excited. This is a wonderful, wonderful cup. So you all know this at this point. I'm gonna tell you the link to the store is in the doobly-doo. Go check it out and get your Who's That Girl merch. It is awesome, and this picture of Dante is unbelievably cute. I mean, you just cannot understand how adorable he is. Oh, look at it, even right down there on there. Got his name written. Yep, see? So, yeah, friends, go check out Who's That Girl on Twitch and pick up your Who's That Girl merch over on the Stream Elements store that I will put a link to in the doobly-doo. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, friends. Enjoy.